Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing a cantilever beam problem with uniform distributing load. So we'll see how to solve this problem. The aim of the experiment is determine the maximum bending stress, deflection and reaction for the beam. Calculate the bending stress and bending moment diagram along with the theoretical solutions. And given the Young's modulus value is 200 gigapascal and Poisson's ratio is 0.30. We can have a look on the given sketch. A cantilever beam with rectangular cross section of width 10 mm and height 30 mm and a uniform distributing load of magnitude 50 Newton per mm is applied on the cantilever beam. We'll see how to solve this problem in ANSYS. Let me select the discipline as structural in preference, give OK, go to preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add, select the element type as beam, give OK, close, then go to real constant, add, edit, delete, add, give OK. The area value, that is width into height, it is 300 mm square. Moment of inertia, it is 22500 and height, it is 30 mm. We can skip these data which is not required for our analysis part. Give OK, close. Then go to the material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Young's modulus value, it is 200 into e power 3 in terms of mm, so 210 power 3 Newton per mm square. Poisson's ratio, it is 0.3. Give OK. Close this, go to modeling. Let me create nodes in active coordinate system. For the node 1, the coordinates are 0, 0, give apply. For node 2, the coordinates is 210, 0, give OK. Now I will be creating the elements. So for that, element auto numbered through nodes, pick node 1 and node 2, give OK. Afterwards, for boundary conditions, select loads, apply structural displacement on nodes, select node 1, apply, all DOF you select. Now for applying the UDL load, I will be using command pressure. Go to the pressure and directly we can select the command on beams. Select the whole beam, click apply, enter the given pressure value at node I and node J. So it is 15. Give OK. You can able to see how the load has been distributed uniformly throughout the beam. Now go to solution, solve current load step, give OK. So we got a solution node. How to view the result? Go to general post processor. First let me see the overall deflection. Select plot results, deformed shape, deformed plus undeformed shape, give OK. Now we need to define the codes to view the other results. For that, go to element table, define table, add. The codes are SMISC2, we need to scroll down by sequence number, SMISC6, SMISC 8, SMISC 12, NMISC 1, NMISC 3. So these are all the codes we have defined. We will see how to view the results. Go to plot results, contour plot. Select line element result. First we will be checking the shear force. For that, at node I select SMISC 2 and at node J select SMISC 8. Give OK. Along with the shear force diagram we can see the magnitude also. Now for the bending moment, at node I SMISC 6, at node J SMISC 12, give OK. Along with the bending moment diagram, the magnitude of the bending moment also we can able to see here, where the minimum and maximum values, and last one is the bending stress. Further, NMIC 1 and NMIC 3 at node I and node j respectively give OK. We can able to see the value on the sketch. Thank you.